Let's get started.
And they had an aftermarket alarm going around the grommet here at the wiring, and the rain came down off the pillar onto the grommet that's supposed to protect it. It had an opening where that wire was. You can see the rigid cap. Started to downpour, and I really exposed the problem that I'm having with this molding that is part of the seal for the moonroof, and just underneath separated a bit here. And so I used some waterproofing tape to seal that again, and it goes around this edge. Just on this outer edge, on the other side is the motor and the mechanism to move the window back and forth. The armatures are all getting in the way of this making a flush fit. So we're going to go ahead and seal that, as well as, since I'm here, I'm wrapping the drain itself, and we'll see how that goes. So I had to wait till it rained a bit, and this is an airbag here. As you can see, it's just sopping wet, and then lo and behold, this track is still not draining at all. The water is just caught here. So this is this here. Got water. And that is the drain hole. So what I'm going to try to do is run some water to see if it's draining, and it's just the amount of water that's showing up at any one time that's screwing it all up. Alright, so I've got to pour water here. Check it out. Starts to drain, and then it stops. So there's an obstruction pretty close to the top of that hose where that drain plug is.
Please like and subscribe. Por favor, dale me gusta y suscríbete.